Have you ever noticed that the more you try to force a conversation, the faster it ends? While some people speak only a little and everyone listens, not because they're louder or funnier, but because their words feel calm and meaningful. And this is a Stoic truth that presence matters more than performance, because attraction comes from honesty, attention, and quiet confidence. So when you say, "Tell me more about that," and truly listen, people feel valued and open up. When you calmly say, "I don't know," without pretending, people trust you more because humility feels real. And when someone shares pain and you simply say, "That sounds hard," you are not fixing or judging them, but showing understanding. And this kind of controlled kindness, comfort with silence, and respect for others' experiences creates a deep connection that makes people naturally want to stay and listen to you. Silence is powerful because most people rush to fill quiet moments with nervous words. But those who are comfortable with silence speak calmly, pause often, and make others listen when they finally talk. And the Stoics believe that when you stop fearing silence, you become stronger inside. And saying, "I appreciate you," goes deeper than "thank you," because it recognizes a person, not just their action, making others feel truly seen. While learning to say no protects your time, energy, and peace, since every yes to what does not matter is a no to your growth. And when your no is calm and honest, your yes becomes meaningful. And all these habits work not because they are tricks, but because they show presence, humility, kindness, awareness, and strong boundaries, proving that real attraction comes from removing noise and pretending. So when you stop performing, people stop judging and start noticing the real you.